with you.
Maya.
Thing is how to throw a party. And Super New Sunday. This is the one you've been waiting for all year.
Nicole and I created always a lingerie party.
Bigger.
It turned out amazing.
Bolder.
The sky kind of got a little raunchy, so it was fun to watch.
And bustier than ever.
I really got to see the food.
The stars are out for the Party of the Year.
Everyone's be here.
Party with the Girls Next Door Sunday at 10. Followed by Snoop Dogg's Fatherhood, only on E!
For the past 4 decades, realities for students have invaded Daytona Beach.
Hi, cutie. Are you eating your foot?
In March 1999, Indiana State University senior Brandon Richardson and 2 friends decided the legendary beach town was the perfect place to spend spring break.
I figured it's Daytona Beach, you know, it's going to be a party, it's kind of crazy.
Good times, hanging out on the beach. We all expected it to be just a very relaxing time.
You know, the worst that'll happen is I'll drink too much and I'll be throwing up in the morning.
But Brandon got a lot more than an epic hangover.
The daytime heals all wounds. In this case, there are things that are still difficult. The left side of my body doesn't work like